Hey guys, it's Shay. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey, welcome. If you're not, if you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my JustFab shopping haul slash like unboxing. Never done one of these before. So I'm going to do JustFab and I'm going to do another video. I got some from another company too. I'm actually really excited. I'm just getting my vlogging channel off the ground. I just bought a new vlogging camera. I actually have a rant about that. I'm gonna record that and post it. But I like the camera, don't like how I got it, but I'm really excited to show you guys my boots. I tried one of them on. I haven't tried the other one on. I have like really big calves, but I love boots, so that's my current slash always dilemma. I couldn't sleep last night and I was up looking at calf reduction. Didn't know it was a thing, but I'm like, I wouldn't mind trying, but I'm a little scared. Like, I'm a scaredy cat. I'm worried about what can happen. This is the box from one of the shoes. It's top anyway. Oh, also, I don't know if this came because it's my first time buying or if it comes with all the packages. Hashtag not sponsor, hashtag it was that. So it comes with gift card for HelloFresh. I'm gonna show you my code. $60 gift card. You get $20 off your first 3 deliveries plus free shipping. I have to claim within 30 days. I can do that. It comes with the JustFab VIP membership program, and it kind of explains. You get like 30% off retail pricing, and you get points. 20 points for every product you review, 25, I don't need to go on there. 25 for every dollar you spend, and 50 when you upload an image to our style gallery. Oh, about to be rocking up points. And so the magic of the VIP membership, you get the personalized boutique. You can skip the month or you can shop. If you have to click the little skip the month button by the 5th of each month. You get access to private sales, member-only promotions, style, inspiration, and tips curated by a personal stylist. Cancel anytime, and you get a referral. You refer a friend, you get $15 plus 50 rewards points for every friend who completes our style quiz and becomes a VIP. So that's cool. They have really cute stuff. And that's my receipt. And it's the voucher for $100 of wine at Naked Wines. I'm here for it. So I got 2 boots. Okay, yeah. So I'll make sure they're both wide calf. Don't hurt my feelings. So these first ones are called Didoa, and they're faux leather. They're black. So there's a zipper on the outside and a zipper on the inside. But the zipper on the outside is just for show. This does look like a black calf, okay. Don't judge my calves, okay? They're very muscular and a little bit fat, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I haven't tried these ones on yet, but they're cool and they have tread on the bottom, which I like. Because I live on the East Coast where there is snow and rain. Like right now, it's raining. Again, it's been raining since yesterday. I think it's gonna rain until Monday, which is super annoying. But I'm actually bummed. I'm about to go to Atlanta for Christmas. I always want a white Christmas, and I know they don't snow in Atlanta. And when it does, like the whole city shuts down. It's not usually a lot, so I'm actually sad. Okay. These are called the Priscilla corset back boots, and they're brown. This is the inside, this is the outside. And this is the back. I tried these on, they're a bit tight. I'm not gonna be able to wear like jeans with them. I'd probably only be able to wear leggings. And they had to be like thin leggings. But I'm about to be on a weight loss journey. So hopefully I'll be able to fit this one better. And it has a cute little buckle here. I saw so much cute stuff on their website, and if you are not new, if you've been here before, you'll know that I posted a vlog, I believe, about me losing my home to a fire, and like pretty much all my belongings. I have to replace my entire wardrobe. I just bought some luggage on Black Friday, and I was like looking. It's 2 closets in my room right now, and I was like, I could fit everything that I own into one of these suitcases, and probably still have room. Like, it's crazy. But some buying new shoes, getting myself into trouble because I'm like buying stuff, but I need stuff, so it's okay. I need some more clothes because like none of my stuff matches. But that was my little JustFab unboxing slash haul. I like them. I have to try the black pair on to see if they fit, but so it was a really good process for me. It was really kind of straightforward. I think I had signed up and did the quiz for JustFab and Shoe Dazzle a long time ago, but I don't think I signed up for service until recently. So I think it's worth it. Like, I love shoes, so getting a new pair of shoes every month, especially like some really nice ones for like $39. I think it's like $35 a month, $34.99 or something like that. That's nothing. Like, honestly, you can go to Payless and get some for $35 or more. You can Payless getting up there with them prices, and so is Target. Like, they're shipping. So I think it's really cool. But thank you for watching. I'm going to be posting another one very soon. Bye.